This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a huge meatloaf. I've got 3 pounds of ground chuck here, and I'm just going to sit it back here. I'm letting it come more to room temperature. This is 5 slices of bread. I have them soaking in milk, and this is going to take the place of breadcrumbs or oatmeal. I'm just going to use this in here and let this soak up the bread and soak into the bread. And then I've got an onion and a green bell pepper that I'm going to cut up, and I'll bring you back when I get all this stuff into the pan. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I have 3 pounds of ground chuck in here, a pretty big onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 egg, and now I'm going to get my bread and squeeze. Well, it's really, I'm just going to put the bread in here. The milk's kind of all down in here, and I told y'all I'm just so messy. This is going to be so good. When you find out what I'm doing with it, I know you're going to want to give it a try. My mom used to make what I'm getting ready to make when I was younger. There goes my pressure cooker. I've got meal cooking in my pressure cooker. Alright. Let me get this off of my cutting board here. Alright, now I'm going to put some salt in here and maybe a teaspoon and a half, and then I'm going to put some coarse ground black pepper, and we like pepper, so that's probably the same amount, maybe more. That may be 2 teaspoons. Alright, and then I have some sriracha hot chili sauce. I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of that in here. It may end up being more. I've just got to see. We don't want it too hot. Alright. And then I'm going to put probably 3/4 of a cup of ketchup in here. Well, alright, there's 1/4. And here's a half. Alright, now I'm going to mix all this up because some of this, the ketchup's going to have to go on the outside of it. So, I know that y'all may want to watch me do this. Ugh. Ugh. I hate doing this. I really do. And the egg is under the hamburger, so I got to get that all mixed up in here. Ugh. And this hamburger's still ground, it's ground chuck. Even though it's ground chuck, I still say hamburger. I'm going to have to bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so what I've done is I have made 6 huge little mini meatloaves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them in bacon. I'm going to put them around this way, right here. And each of them is going to be wrapped in bacon, and then I'm going to put some ketchup on top, and then I'm going to wrap a piece of bacon on top of that. And I have this much left over, ground beef left over, so I just put it in a meatloaf pan, and I'm going to put some ketchup on top of that, and then I'm going to put 2 or 3 pieces of bacon on top of that, and I'll bring you back when I get ready to put these in the oven. And I've got my oven preheating to 425, so I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've got these I've got 1 slice of bacon wrapped all around each little mound of meatloaf, and then I've got 1 slice cut in half and put on top. And underneath this, we've squirted more ketchup. So there's ketchup on there, and then 1 slice of bacon on the top. And then over here, and that one, that's just, we've got ketchup underneath the bacon. And so this is going to go in the oven now, and I'm not really sure how long this is going to take. It's on 425, and when I come back, I'll let you know how long it took.